Good morning students. Today we discuss about organomagnesium compounds. Organomagnesium compound. Organomagnesium compound, very important. So in this, first of all, what is organomagnesium compound? So alkyl halide bond with magnesium. Simply alkyl halide. So for example, R nothing but alkyl halide X, alkyl halide bond with magnesium Mg. So simply we call as RMgX. So this is nothing but Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. So in this we discuss about preparation and application. So we have only two preparation. So first preparation, reaction with metal. Reaction with metal. Preparation. In this first preparation, reaction with metal. Reaction with metal. So in this, first we take ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide C2H5Br. So ethyl bromide react with magnesium in presence of ether. In presence of ether. So we get organomagnesium reagent. So that is the C2H5MgBr. Simply ethyl bromide react with magnesium in presence of ether. We get Grignard reagent or organomagnesium compound. So this is the ethyl magnesium bromide. So this is the first preparation. Next, second preparation from mercury compounds. Second preparation from mercury compounds. Mercury compounds. So in this we take mercury compound R2Hg. So it react with simply magnesium. So to form R2Mg plus Hg. So this compound react with halogen. So simply RMgX plus Rx. So this is the preparation of organomagnesium halide or organomagnesium compound. Simply nothing but we call as a Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. So this is the another preparation. Next, in this, the preparation of Grignard reagent is very easy, but using operators and chemicals are completely dry. So if any formation of wet, the time magnesium react with wet to form magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. So that's why we maintain dry conditions only. So next, Grignard reagent highly reactive and we using only in liquid state. Actually Grignard reagent in solid state also, but it highly reactive. That's why we using liquid state only. So next we learn about applications. 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 In this first application, preparation of hydrocarbons. preparation of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. So first we take Grignard reagent. So CH3MgI. So this is the Grignard reagent or organomagnesium compound. So it react with H2O. Our convenient we write HOH. So simply in this breakdown H plus OH minus. Next Mg plus CH3 minus. CH3 minus. So minus go for positive side, positive go for negative side. So formation CH3 minus H plus, formation of methane. So next MgOHI. So in this methane prepared. Second one, preparation of alcohol. Second one, preparation of alcohol. So in this, as well as we using Grignard reagent, simply CH3MgBr. So it react with formaldehyde, H, C double bond O, H. So this is unsaturation bond is there. So it go for carbon and oxygen. Electron polarization occur carbon to oxygen. So electron polarize carbon to oxygen. Oxygen get negative charge. Carbon get positive charge. In this CH3 minus as well as Mg plus. So minus go for positive side. Positive go for negative side. So simply we get HCCH3 MgBr. So simply CH3 minus. So go for positive. So that's why make a bond. Next O negative. So Mg positive. So OMgBr. So it go for hydrolysis H2O. So finally we get ethyl alcohol. HCCH3HOH. So this is the ethyl alcohol. Simply CH3CH2OH. So ethyl alcohol. And this is the primary alcohol. So this is the preparation of alcohol. First step, primary alcohol. Next we go for preparation of secondary alcohol. So this is also very simply we take as well as CH3MgBr Grignard reagent. It react with CH3C double bond OH. So electron polarize carbon to oxygen. Oxygen get negative charge. Carbon get positive charge. So in this Mg plus CH3 minus. So positive go for minus. Minus go for plus. So simply, so instead of hydrogen replaced by CH3. CH3 C CH3 H O MgBr. OMgBr. It go for hydrolysis H2O. So we get secondary alcohol, that is the isopropyl alcohol. CH3C CH3HOH. So this is the isopropyl alcohol. This is the secondary alcohol. So as well as, so tertiary alcohol, same, hydrogen replaced by CH3, hydrogen replaced by CH3, hydrogen replaced by CH3. So finally we get tertiary alcohol and the compound name is tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. So same procedure. So 1, 2 and third one tertiary butyl alcohol. That is the tertiary. So simple. Tertiary butyl alcohol. So formation tertiary alcohol. So simply CH replaced by CH3, H replaced by CH3, H replaced by CH3. Finally we get tertiary butyl alcohol. This is the tertiary alcohol. So this is the preparation of alcohol. Next, third one, preparation of carboxylic acid. Third one, preparation of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Preparation of carboxylic acid. So in this as well as we take Grignard reagent. So simply CH3MgBr. CH3MgBr. CH3 get negative charge, Mg get positive charge. So in this compound react with the CO2. So CO2 our convenient we write C double bond O double bond O. So in this electron polarized carbon to oxygen, oxygen get negative charge, carbon get positive charge. So negative go for positive, positive go for negative. So formation CH3, C double bond O, O, MgBr, MgBr. It go for, this compound go for hydrolysis H2O. So CH3, C double bond O, OH. So carboxylic acid formed. So this is the preparation of carboxylic acid. So as well as formation MgOHBr. So this is our desired compound carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Next preparation, fourth preparation, preparation of ester. Preparation of ester. Preparation of ester. So in this as well as we using Grignard reagent, that is the CH3MgBr. CH3MgBr. So it react with ethyl chloroformate. Ethyl chloroformate. Cl, C double bond O, C2Hy. So this compound name is ethyl chloroformate. Chloroformate. So finally it gives ester. Finally it gives ester. CH3, C double bond O, C2H5. So ester. This is the ester. So this is the preparation of ester. So final product MgBrCl. So but our desired compound CH3, C double bond O, C2H5. So this is the ester. Next, fourth one completed. Fifth one, we go for fifth one, preparation of ether. Fifth one, preparation of ether. Preparation of ether. So in this we using Grignard reagent or organometallic compound, that is the CH3MgI. CH3MgI. So it react with monohollow ether. Monohollow ether. Simply CH3O, CH2Cl. Monohollow ether. Already I told ROR. Compound nothing but we called as a ethers. So simply this is the monohollow ether. So the Grignard reagent react with the monohollow ether. It formation CH3O, CH2, CH3. So ethyl methyl ether. So this compound name ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl methyl ether. So this compound name. So another product MgICl. So our desired compound ether formed. Next one, preparation of amines. So sixth one, preparation of amines. So in this we using as well as Grignard reagent, that is the CH3NGI. CH3NGI. So it react with chloramine. So the chloramine compound is NH2Cl. Chloramine. This compound name is chloramine. So we get methylamine. So CH3NH2. So this compound name methylamine. And another product NgCli. Next, last one, preparation of sulfur. Seventh one, preparation of sulfur. Preparation of sulfur means a sulfur compound. So in this, as well as Grignard reagent, CH3MgBr react with sulfur to form C2H5S MgBr. So it go for hydrolysis to form C2H5SH. So sulfur compound formed. So this is overall information of organomagnesium compound. So this is end of this class. Thank you.